Got the weekend coming up. What kind of weather to expect?
Actually, pretty decent weekend heading our way. Mainly precipitation free. Still a chill in the air. But if you think this is chilly, just wait till the end of next week. So,
oh, there you go.
Yeah, lots of changes heading our way this upcoming week. Well, we've had a difficult time with some cloud cover in spots this morning, not everywhere. Actually, we broke out into sunshine fairly early this morning around North Buffalo and some areas off to the east. It's been very sunny this morning. But a little bit of patchy cloudiness up there at Lockport at noontime. Taking a look at Canal Side. And as we take you down by the waterfront, here's the view from the Buffalo State College Great Lakes Research Center along the river, looking toward the eastern end of the lake, and a little bit more high cloudiness is starting to streak in from the west, and these clouds will mix in with the sunshine, even around the Buffalo Metro, where it's been very sunny, at least across portions of the Metro earlier this morning, the north end of the city, and a fair amount of clouds down there at Chautauqua Lake, at Burtis Bay right now, a little bit of sun peeking out, and that's going to be the case. Even those spots that have been pretty cloudy this morning, I think you're going to see some sun in the mix during the afternoon hours as well. Let's take a peek at it now in the satellite picture at noontime, and you can see some of the clouds that we had across the area this morning kind of pushing off to the east, so we're seeing a little bit more sun develop across portions of the area. Still a little bit more in the way of clouds across Chautauqua, Cattaraugus County. No snow or rain coming down from those clouds. That's the good news. Now, if you were with us on Wake Up earlier this morning, I showed you the webcam shot from Batavia, and yes, there was a dusting of snow across Genesee County this morning out of some snow flurries. At least we're going to be pretty dry out there for this afternoon and into tonight until maybe toward tomorrow morning. We have another cold front actually on the way for tomorrow, and that will produce some increasing clouds during the overnight period. In addition to that, by tomorrow morning, there's going to be a chance of a sprinkle or a snow flurry, and the same goes for the morning hours on Saturday. This cool front will be clearing from northwest to southeast through the region tomorrow morning, and in the wake of that, well, we cool down again. That's what happens behind a cold front. Temperatures are going to be dropping tomorrow afternoon after an early high in the low 40s, and we should break out into some partial sunshine. Now, as we work our way into tomorrow night, mostly to partly cloudy skies, not too much happening for Saturday night. And Sunday, skies become partly sunny before a little bit more cloudiness starts to head our way again during the afternoon, but it should be precip-free with temperatures recovering into the mid-40s. But it gets a whole lot better, at least on Monday, temperature-wise. Forecast highs this afternoon. We're struggling out there at noontime. Low 40s for the most part at Niagara Falls, the Tonawondas, Amherst, Clarence, down through Lancaster. Close to 40 degrees at Batavia this afternoon. Computers only suggesting low to mid-30s down here along the Pennsylvania line. You may do a little better than that, at least maybe upper 30s in spots, especially over toward Jamestown, and closer to 40 degrees or into the low 40s at Hamburg, Orchard Park, and West Seneca. Well, that's where we're at noontime. 40 degrees at Buffalo right now, Niagara Falls 41, 42 down here at Dunkirk, 36 at Jamestown, and 34 degrees at Wellsville and Bradford. You should be able to tack on a few more degrees onto those readings for the high this afternoon. The forecast for this afternoon, the sunset time is coming up at 4:47, water temp 49 off Buffalo, partly sunny and cool for this Friday afternoon with high temperatures from 40 to 44 degrees. For the overnight, increasing clouds and becoming windy overnight, too. Chance of a sprinkle or flurry toward morning lows 33 inland to about 39 in the city. Tomorrow, slight chance of a sprinkle or flurry, then becoming partly sunny, a chilly day, 40 to 44 degrees. In fact, turning cooler in the afternoon. And on Sunday, partly sunny in the morning, increasing afternoon clouds, 43 to 46. We should be up to around 57 degrees on Monday. There's a threat of some rain showers with those milder temperatures, and we'll be in and out of some raindrops Tuesday into Wednesday before Thanksgiving Day, when we cool down to 39. Rain, snow mix for Thanksgiving Day. At least this is the way it looks at this early point, possibly changing to all snow Thursday night and Friday next week.
Well, you're a bearer of good news.
Hey, I'm sorry. Why should it be prepared? Thank you very much, Mike.